Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your own Suno version 5.5 model. First, we are going to talk about the subscriptions. Since the creating our models, we will need the pro subscription of the pro plan from Suno AI. As you can see, I already have my subscription active. Therefore, what we'll do is go into the create section. Once here in the create section, we will need to go to the upper section where we find all the models. And once there, we'll have to click where it says create custom model. After that, we will have the ability to add up to more than 24 songs for our new model. So what we are going to do here is upload them model by model. In this case, it's mandatory, or well, it has a minimum requirement of adding 6 songs. Therefore, we are going to add 6 songs. This will also depend on what we are looking for. In this case, for example, we are going to add 2 songs, but we will repeat them so that it has a better specification for our models. Once we add these models, we just have to wait for them to load in order to continue with the next steps to create our model. In the meantime, we will also have the option to name our model. In this case, for example, we are going to name it Rick's model. This is just a quick example, as I won't matter much. It's just to keep it safe. And now what we'll do is click where it says create custom model. Once we click here, it's as simple as waiting for it to be created. In this case, we're already creating one. So we just have to wait. And now, how are we going to use it? Well, it's very simple. We just have to work with this as if we were working with regular models. And here under the models, all of them will appear, including the one we are creating. In this case, it will be right here. For now, we just have to wait for it to finish creating, and then we'll be able to select it just like I'm doing right now. And that's it. You will just have to use it and you are good to go.